feel like I've used this footage before, this drone footage. But anyway, my phone died like last year, so I haven't shoot my drone or fly my drone. So most of the drone footage that I've been using for the past 5-6 vlogs are whole drone footage in my archive that I shot long time ago. So you can notice the temperature difference from shooting those vlogs. So anyway, we are on our road to Manila 10's. So we have 3 training sessions before Manila 10's. Today is the first one and we have 2 more to go. So today is Thursday and then we have a Saturday afternoon and then next Thursday and then Manila 10's on the weekend after. So we're just waiting for Evans to come. I have been hitting the gym for the past 8 days or so. I started last Tuesday going to the gym and today is Thursday, so it's been I think 9 days. I actually played last weekend, didn't training. This is actually my first training again as Eagles training. We're just waiting. I actually just waiting for Evans. Everything came, but he went back home. Warren is not here yet. Evans said 4:30 he will pick us up, but last Thursday he said 4:30 and he picked us up at 5. So it's probably gonna be the same thing today again. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for Evans and wait for Warren and everything also. Let's go. Captain, your aircon is still out. The traffic was so bad. It was like 1.5 hours. We left the house. Evans picked us up at 5 and now it's like 6:30 and we are here. Anyway, a good number of boys are here. Do some pre-training thoughts. Anyway, traffic was very bad. I was holding my for such a long time. So now I'm here. Anyway, I'm gonna change and do some running with the boys. Training session number 2. Today is the second training session for Manila 10's preparation. Unfortunately today it's just me and Evans, Neverity and Warren. They go for our Pacific Island community camping this weekend. So it's around 3 p.m. at Saturday now. So training is around I think 5 p.m. or something. So I'm just waiting for Evans and then we're gonna head out to the field. Yep, let's go.
I'm telling you, it's really hard to park this car in Manila mostly.
Okay, thank you. Let's go hit some dust. Okay, we are here after 40 minutes of drive, which is kind of nice. It's easier. Anyway, I'm a bit injured from last weekend. I pulled my hamstring, so I'll see what I can do today. It's crazy. Big number of boys and girls here. Anyway, I pulled my hamstring, so I might be taking it a bit easy today. I got strapped up at the house. Now I'm here. Nice. Anyway, we were supposed to do Manila 10's training, but we turned out to make 15's training. A lot of people turn up, so we did have to make it like a 15's training rather than a 10's. So probably Thursday we're gonna do Manila 10's training. We actually made two great teams. Alrighty, today is the final day of the Manila 10's training. So we've been 3 trainings. So today's the final day. Heaven's gonna pick us up at 4 p.m. and then we're gonna go for training for the Manila 10's. So anyway, people who are new on this channel or just randomly bump into this channel, Manila 10's is a rugby festival. I'm gonna link the other link of this. I think this is third, fourth, fifth time I post about the Manila 10's. So I'm gonna post in the link at the end of the video. Anyway, so last weekend we were supposed to do training for Manila 10's, do blueprint and how we're gonna play, because the tournament is 2 days, and we did not because there were a lot of people and we never do a proper rugby training for 15. So we did 15's training. So today we're gonna do Manila 10's blueprint and how we're gonna play the game for the 2 days of rugby festival. So I actually injured my hamstring on the Thursday before today. So the coach Tuna told us to go 50% on. We were doing some tackling drills, and I went into the drill thinking that it will be 50% and people went 100%, and I kind of stretched my hamstring. Thankfully I didn't tear it. I still walk around properly. So I've been nursing it for 4 or 5 days now, and I think yesterday and today I actually did yesterday and the day before I actually did some running, so it's getting better. It's still a little bit of nudge of pain in it, but the rugby tournament is still 2 days away, so hopefully I'll get better. I don't want to play 50-50. So yeah, anyway, let's go road trip. Of people today again, just like Thursday. I just heard from Heavens that we might have tomorrow Friday morning training as a captain's run, because look at this crowd, way a lot of people. Anyway, I'm gonna play some touch and then go home, see what's up next. The veterans are there training. Those are the veterans. 35 years and above is in the veteran division. That guy's a bitch. Alrighty, where am I? That was the final training for Manila 10's. Yeah, I think tomorrow, Friday, we're gonna have like a morning cats. Hey. Yeah, cats. Anyway, oh my god. Anyway, bloody cats. I'll be back. Yeah, anyway, so tomorrow I think we're gonna have another training session, a captain's run. Today a lot of people turn up, so we just do like basic stuff again. So tomorrow will be a proper captain's run, I believe, hopefully. So yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna cut this training session as of today. So anyway, I'll see you in Manila 10's. See you on the next one.